Hey guys, in this tutorial of Blender, I'm going to show you that how can you make uh, screencast key visible in your Blender. So screencast keys are generally used like if you pressing any key from your keyboard, you can't see so the viewer can't understand what keys are you are pressing. So for that, screencast keys are helpful so that you can, so if you upload this video, if you upload any video from your blender tutorial on YouTube or somewhere, you can, so the viewers can visualize, they can see what keys you are pressing and how you are doing your work in the Blender. So how to make that option available in Blender? So let's see. First of all, you need to search screencast keys key Blender. So it will you got this Blender wiki. If you click on this, what happens, it will take you to this web page. Here you have to download this Python script. So download this Python script. So I'm downloading this on desktop. So I've downloaded the Python script for this. Now you have to go to Blender, go to File, the preference. Here go to Install add-ons from File and go to where you've downloaded your file. So it's on desktop. So this one. So you can see that screencast keys is now visible. Like if you go to 3D view, it's there. And now what you have to do, click on this. So as you can see here, screencast key is now available. If you uncheck this, it will not give that screencast key option here. So now again you have to go for like 3D view or all, because we have installed that add-on. Click on this and save user setting. After saving it, close this. Now see here, I'm typing something like from my, I'm typing S to size this, but you can't see any keys on this side. If I say on start display, now I see S. I can clicking this mouse button, whatever I'm doing, I can get that visible here. So in this way you can install screencast keys in your Blender software. So you can change some setting also, like color of box. You can make it blue, green, or whatever color you like to make it. And then you can also play with background. Then mouse, is it right or left, icon, text, only text will appear. Then fade out time, how much time after showing it here it can get fade out. So it's 3 seconds, you can make it 5 seconds. Then text icon color, it's white, that's fine. Text size, that's mouse size. And position, you can change it from here. Box width, you can get box width also. Time, last update, and so you can save these settings for your screencast keys in your Blender software. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.